May salawikain tayo sa Pilipino. At ang sabi, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makakarating sa paruroonan. Ibig sabihin nito ay sa buhay ng mga diakonisa, sa akin, gusto kong malaman kung ano ba ang pangyayari noong unang panahon na nagkakaroon ng diakonisa. Pero mag-fast forward ako. Dahil nung naging diakonesa na ako, isa sa mga sinabi sa amin ay hindi kami pwedeng mag-asawa. Pero bakit nga ba hindi kami pwedeng mag-asawa? Kaya immediately, saan ako pupunta? Hindi ako mag-aasawa. And that was the time when I heard about Decker Home. So I want you to know, whether you are married or not married, like me, there is a place for us to go. And that is Decker Home. So let's look at the past or the background of Decker Home. Decker Home was just a dream at that time. During World War II, persons physically and emotionally drained who were close to retirement age were given the chance to stay at Decker if they wish to do that. Among them were deaconesses, some having started as early as 1910, single and unattached to their families. So, as I said earlier, saan sila pupunta? Kaya, nagkaroon ng Decker Home. So, out of this need was born a dream. Harris Alumni Association started to plan and work and began to raise funds from among themselves as they looked for a location for a deaconess home. Possible sites were considered together with donors for the property on which to build the home. A bold appeal was sent to the Women's Division of the Methodist Church, USA, to fund this worthy endeavor. And then, it came to reality. The response came very quickly. Why? Because a deaconess, the president of Harris Alumni Association by the name of Mrs. Francisca Guntang Saura, offered her Quezon City house, including the lot, for a minimal price. The Women's Division readily sent a generous grant to help buy the property on which Decker Home now stands. Decker opened as a home for deaconesses of the Methodist Church in August 1955. Using the old building or the old house of the Sauras. Then, the new building was finished and was dedicated in February 21, 1965. In 1968, Decker Memorial Foundation Incorporated was duly registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission to continue as a home for deaconesses and to provide a modest pension for retired deaconesses. And that is why Decker Memorial Foundation Incorporated is a trustee for the pension of the deaconesses. The foundation maintains Decker Home for rest, retreat, and small group live-in seminar. And when you hear about Margaret Decker, the home was named after her because she spent the best years of her life serving the Methodist Church, particularly in the preparation and training of the deaconesses. And so, now that you're here in this anniversary, you can see that the home is as old as me. It's still beautiful naman, di ba? Pero, marami nang kailangan talagang magagawa. Tayo na nandito. You have the opportunity to look into all the rooms of Decker, and with the hope that you can help in the building of a new Decker home. That is a continuation of the dream. But do you know what? This is not the only property of Decker Memorial Foundation Incorporated. We also have another home in Kidapawan, Mindanao. Recently, it was just dedicated. There is a beautiful building, new building in Kidapawan, whose donor, Violi and Joe Domingo, built that beautiful home. Decker South, the name is Tabitha Deaconess House. So when you go to Mindanao, go to Kidapawan, and you can stay there for a while, but of course for a fee. We continue to dream in order that we can help provide not only material needs of our retired deaconesses, but also a continuing education for them. Because you can come here to have a place for you to have seminars, or in Mindanao. So, Decker Home, not only a dream, but also a possibility of what could be done, especially for the deaconesses. And I hope that the deaconess movement in the Philippines will go on, will carry on, and will continue that dream. Because, as you all know, deaconesses are needed in the church. Thank you for this opportunity of sharing with you. Come, stay with us here at Decker Home.